Nyuma ya Profesa Kithure Kindiki kunyuithwa muma na kujukia kanya munene wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua ari kweberwa baingi bamwijeja muntu umukiru na utiumba kuringa siasa. Kindiki nonekanite kurita nkobia yo kirina gutonya siasene na maguru joja iri akigera na migwe na Gachagua kirindionga chiawe mono kiri mutaratara jo empowerment program na kenda kurikithia uchamba bwawe siasene mweri muthiru ni arungamire na musiasa unganite gutongeria kampeni cha Mbere North na arele wa muthende wa UDA achindire Karish wa Rutere Ruregani. Martin na riboti kiri Makarika 2025.
Wanka umwe nyuma ya kuthongero bichi na kunyuithwa mumata munini wa mutongoru wa mugongo wa nthiguru ya Kenya.
I, Kithure Kindiki.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Wakili ya taijikene na gituma muboreri aratuika muringicia chao kathwa na kugegweta rinene ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya.
Wewe Goliathi, wewe ni one term MP. Wewe Goliathi ni one term MP. Na uachane na mimi ukiendelea kunitusi. Wewe mzee, wewe nitakuvua nguo.
Kithure Kindiki Profesa athungirite barabarani na nkinya mutaroni woringicia jana gutuika muciaca wa bairi rori na inya mono ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya kuma kiri mutongoru wa mugongo.
I've been your political student for nearly 20 years now, and nothing in the political space has helped me to pick up lessons more than the years that I have worked and served around you in various capacities.
Ni leo si leo. Ni leo si leo. Wa muthende ni fire si fire. Mtu mungwana, mtu ana kisirani, mtu mcha Mungu, mtu akona maono.
Kindiki akionekanaga misafarania ciaca iringoni na nkinya iguru ya nkari cia purando cia kithirikari kameme na nkinya imumu bia kithirikari bikimurutaga na kuonekana mwonekere ungi wa giciaca.
Hata sisi tunaheshimu viongozi, we have no problem, lakini mambo ya uchokozi na mambo ya bure na matusi hatutaki, na wakiganyanga live wire watachomeka baya sana. Yes, they will be burnt beyond recognition. I'm telling you.
Ringini bwa ciaca na uthiurukini bwa kendeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya Profesa Kithure Kindiki aragwate gweta na kiugo empowerment. Kiugo kira kithiurukaga na gukiria barabara nthi na mono Kindiki araithagiria ikundi mwanya maturani ma nthiguru ya Kenya.
Unaona kuna welding machine ambazo Mheshimiwa Kareke ametafuta kutoka ofisi ya Rais. Posho mill ziko pale. Mheshimiwa pia ametafuta kutoka kwa serikali. Vijana wetu leo watatoka hapa na posho mill.
Turai erundu ni turai arenkiru turai taijekene na manto amigarurite na gutuika kiringo na nkinya kirikano kinene. Profesa Kithure Kindiki aratuikia erundu ni gikaro na nkinya kirikano kinene kia kirima gya Kirimara.
Kanithi, Embu, Meru, mutakuwa katikati ya hiyo mipango. I want to ask you to work together with your leaders. Na msiwe na migawanyiko, sijui hii ni county assembly devolved, hii ni national government. Hiyo mambo migawanyiko haina maana. I want us to have a coalition for development. Tufanye coalition ya development. Kuna watu wameanza kufanya coalition ya siasa. As we are not available for political coalitions.
Rundu ni riri ciaca iraringwa arietwa Kithure Kindiki riratamba uthi na mbere burarua na nkinya ciri cia kithirikari irarirwa bantu agu.
Ni fire si fire. Noma si noma.
If some schools don't have enough teachers, that affects quality and relevance of the education system, isn't it?
So we used to employ 4,000, 5,000 teachers a year. You're learned people. You can go and find out how many teachers were employed by government in 2023, no, not 2023, 2021, 2020, 2019, all the way. And I put it to you, no other administration has employed as many teachers in primary and secondary school than the administration of William Ruto in 3 years.
Profesa Kithurwa Kindiki akionekanaga na murugamo wake wa gĩciaca wa kũthetera na nginya gũkũrĩra metho bara bakoregana na kũrũa na thirikari na nginya gũkandana na ndũ cia thirikari.
Yani kuna watu wanatusoma ujinga. Hata hiyo miaka yote tumengojea, hakuna mtu alikuwa anasema one term. Moja akamaliza akaenda. Kibaki akamaliza term zake akaenda. Uhuru akamaliza akaenda. Saa ile tumefikiwa na serikali, ati watu ndio wanaanza kutuambia one term. Wakwende wasikwende, waende wasiende.
Nimogwetekera marume orege. Moka hoko na moko mera kumelia. Maumelie. Ithundo ya cio ngimoka gakanua gatheri. Magoka makarumana, makaruma Kindiki, makaruma William Ruto.
Muthia Kindiki woyo kiri mwanko mwoyo akarite obiti arionekana ari mutongoria wothi na mbere nkinya muringicia Chori Nkuma. Ti kube cia chachi mbere no thimu ikirite gatagati koringibo cia chandeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya.
We have enough money for electricity. I know some places kama hapa Tharaka connectivity iko chini, but also the other constituencies in this region, various areas, connectivity is also down. I think some parts of Lower Imenti, some parts of Gembe, Tigania, we have disparities in connectivity, even Bori. We have enough money and we are going to connect as many homes and schools and institutions with power.
Kiri potran de tochaweru gonorwa mwanyambi tagwa Martin Mogambi.